Hello my friends, I'm going to make ground beef with capsicum, green peppers, half cup of cooking oil, one big size of onion. Fry the onions very good. Now it's time to put grounded beef inside. Let's mix and cook it. Let's put one bay leaf. Now it's time to make a ginger garlic paste. Let's add the ginger garlic paste now. Let's mix and cook. Cook for 5 minutes before you add the spices. Wow, it smells very nice. Now let's add spices. Half teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, crushed red chilies, cayenne pepper, mixed spices, cumin seed, and add some black pepper. Let's mix everything. Time to add tomatoes. Time to add green peppers. Mix very good. Let's cover and wait. Wow, looks very yummy. Eat with your bread. Enjoy. Hello my friends, I'm going to make creamy potatoes. I boiled and pre-cooked the potatoes for 6 to 7 minutes. We need 400 ml milk, tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Put 1 spoon of water in the all-purpose flour. Let's heat the milk now. 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 teaspoons of salt. Now let's add the all-purpose flour and mix very well. Add black pepper to taste. Hey friends, you can see it's getting creamy. Now let's put some butter on the other dish. Now we are going to assemble our dish. Lay the potatoes on the tray. Put some black pepper to taste. Let's add the first layer of cream and cover. To add another layer of potatoes. Put cheese on top if you have. Cream potatoes are ready. Our creamy potatoes are ready. Follow and share with us. Hello my friends, I'm going to make a chicken neck masala. Let's clean and start cooking. I clean the chicken necks very good. Let's cook now. Half cup of cooking oil, 1 big size of onion. With the onions, I would like to put some cumin seeds. Let's add garlic ginger paste. Let's add fresh tomatoes puree. Mix well. Cook for 2 minutes. Let's add spices now. 1 spoon of salt, turmeric, mixed spices, red chili powder, some black pepper. Let's mix again. Cook for more 2 minutes. Time to add chicken necks. Cook for 10 minutes. Add half cup of water and cook for 30 minutes. Smells very nice. Add green fresh coriander. Friends, chicken neck masala is ready.